embarking on this journey into creating your wedding flowers can be a really exciting yet daunting task. The never-ending lists of things to do, the price tags, and the overwhelming timetable can be really daunting. So where do you start? Now, I've been a florist for over 40 years, and during my career I have spoken to literally hundreds of couples planning on getting married. So there are several paths that you can take to kick your journey off to a great start. In my experience, it's best to start with the overall vision that you have of the day you want to create. So create a checklist. Bring into that checklist the venue, the style, colours, seasonal availability on the flowers that you want to use, the types and varieties of flowers, and a budget. That's really important. Set a budget for how much you want to spend. Our experts are here to help guide you through the process from start to finish. We're passionate about sharing our expertise. We'll guide you and help build your confidence, showing you the tools, techniques that you need to create fabulous flowers for your perfect wedding day.